እስኪ ይችላል ቢያት እቺ እሷን ቀለላ የዛን ጥያቄ ትጠይቀኛለህ እንዴ? የምን ያደግንበት እኮ ነው አባዬ። ኢንተርፕረነር ነው። ምን አልከኝ? ኢንተርፕረነር እሺ፣ ኢንተርፕረነር አይደለም። ታዲያ ነኝ ነው። እሺ፣ ይሄን ነው ምንድን ነኝ? ኢንተርናል ኢንትሬ አረ ኢንትሬ እንዴት ኢንተርፕረነር ትለኛለህ? ኢንትሬ ነው። ከዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ፕረኖር ነው። ሲነበብ አንትረፕረኖር ነው የሚባለው። አንትረፕረኖር አታምነኝም? እሺ ይኸው ይሄን ቪዲዮ ቼክ አድርገው።
Entra. Good. Okay, now the second part is preneur. Let me hear you say that. Hey, that was really good. Okay, now let's put it all together. Entrepreneur.
አመንከኝ? ይሄን ጋር ወሰድልኝ። እኔ ይሄኛውን ኢንተርፕረነር ብዬ ነው በቃ ማለት አይደለም እያሳየውክ እጄ ያደግኩበትን ፍጹም አልቀየረም። ይሄን ኢንተርፕረነር ነው ብዬ ማለት ነው። አንተ ብቻ ኢንተርፕረነር ብለህ ብታነበው ግን ትክክለኛው አንትረፕረነር ከሆነ ምን ዋጋ አለው? ተወኝ ነኝ እንዴ እኔ ከድሮ ጀምሮ ኢንተርፕረነር ነው ብዬ ማለት ነው። ኧረ ስንት ዓመት የፈጋሁበትን ነው። ማንም ኢንተርፕረነር ብሎ ያነበው እኔ ብቻ ችግር የለውም። እኔ ለሁሉም ኢትዮጵያዊ ሲግናል ነገር ካለው ከዛ ሁሉም ኢንተርፕረነር ብሎ ነው የሚያነበው። እናሲዝ ልጠይቅ። ቆይ አሁን ሂድና ጠይቃቸው። እሺ ጠይቃለሁ።
ኢንተርፕረነር
ዛሬ የእንግሊሽ ግራመር እውቀታችሁ ይፈተናል። ማርክ ስንት ታገኛችሁ ትነግሩኛላችሁ። እንጀምር። አይ ኢት የሚለው አረፍተ ነገር ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ ይባላል። ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ። ይህንን ወደ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቀይሩት። I'm eating.
No, I'm eating. Get out.
ወደ present perfect ቀይሩት። I have eaten. I've eaten.
I've been drunk for 2 weeks.
ወደ present perfect continuous. I have been eating. I've been eating.
I've been eating Cinnabon for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
ወደ simple past. I ate.
I ate dinner at her house.
I ate a block of cheese for dinner.
ወደ past continuous. I was eating. I was eating
dinner.
ወደ past perfect. I had eaten. I'd eaten.
She had eaten sticky sweet dumplings.
ወደ past perfect continuous. I had been eating. I'd been eating.
I've been eating during the night and
ወደ simple future. I will eat. I'll eat.
I will drink a chocolate milk.
ወደ future continuous. I will be eating. I'll be eating.
I will be eating with my hands.
ወደ future perfect. I will have eaten. I'll have eaten. I'll have eaten.
Will have eaten her last kebab.
ወደ future perfect continuous. I will have been eating. I'll have been eating.
You know, on November 16th, I'll have been doing this for 6,000 years and you'll...
እነዚህ እንግሊዘኛ ቴንስ ላይ ያሉ ዋና እውቀቶች ናቸው። እነዚህን ካወቃችሁ ማንኛውንም ሐሳብ መግለጽ ትችላላችሁ። ኮመንት ላይ ገብታችሁ ስንት እንዳገኛችሁ ንገሩኝ። በሚቀጥለው እስክንገናኝ see you in the next swipe.
Hey, what's going on? This is Anai here. I want to talk to you about something very, very familiar to most of us, okay? I want to discuss the expression fall in love with someone. Fall in love with someone. I mean, everybody knows this. Everybody uses it, right? For example, ever since we were kids, we've been using expressions like, are you in love? Are you falling in love? I think I'm falling in love. I am falling in love with, give me a name. Yeah, it's very sensitive. I'm not going to name names right now, but, okay? I am falling in love with this woman. I'm falling in love with that woman, okay? We could say all this kind of expressions, all right? But right now, what I want to discuss with you is fall out of love with someone. Sometimes we fall out of love with our significant others, our partners, wives, husbands, girlfriends, boyfriends, okay? Which means we're not as in love as we used to be. We're not as affectionate to each other as we used to be. When the flame starts dying away, it means you're falling out of love with someone. So you can say, I think I'm falling out of love with my girlfriend. I think I'm falling out of love with my fiance. I think I'm falling out of love with my wife. Okay? Or the other way around. You can see all those things, okay?
Fall in love with her. She's supposed to fall out of love with you. That's
Okay, people break up because they fall out of love. That didn't happen.
Wait a minute, I didn't fall out of love with you.
I hope you don't fall out of love with someone you are in love with right now. Thank you.
አሁን ደግሞ ማጣፈጫ ቅመም የሆነች አሪፍ ትምህርት ልስጣችሁ። እንደዚህ ከመሆኑ የተነሳ እንደዚህ ነው። ለምሳሌ በጣም ከመራቤ የተነሳ መራመድ እንኳን አልቻልኩም። መጀመሪያ እርቦኛል። I am hungry. I'm hungry. So much so, that's the word. So much so ማለት እንደዛ ከመሆኑ የተነሳ ማለት ነው። I'm hungry. So much so, I can't walk. ቆንጆ ከመሆኗ የተነሳ ከቤት አትወጣም። እንሞክረው። ቆንጆ ነች። She is beautiful. She's beautiful. ከዚህም የተነሳ so much so ከቤት አትወጣም። She doesn't get out. No, she doesn't leave her house. She's beautiful. So much so, she doesn't leave the house.
So much so, she's celebrating my moving here.
So much so, it broke them apart in the end.
አሪፍ ነች አይደል? እንደራሱት ከፈለጋችሁ ኮመንት ላይ በመግባት የራሳችሁን የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር ስሩበት። ለዛሬ ያለን ይሄ ነው። see you in the next swipe. ዛሬ የልጄ ክርስትና ነው። in English ክርስትና በእንግሊዝኛ ምንድን ነው? ክርስትና በእንግሊዝኛ በጣም ቀላል ነው። ክርስቲያኒንግ ነው። በቃ ክርስቲያኒንግ። ኦኬ፣ እንደዛ ብላችሁ ያዙት። ከዛ ስታነቡ ስታስተካክሉት ክርስቲኒንግ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ክርስቲኒንግ ስትጻፍ ክርስቲኒንግ ነው። ቲ ሳይለንት ነች። ክርስቲኒንግ። ስለዚህ ዛሬ የልጄ ክርስትና ነው ስትሉ ወንድ ከሆነ today is my son's christening ትላላችሁ። ሴት ከሆነች today is my daughter's christening ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። You got it?
Say, did you get the invitation to my son's christening?
I'll see you at the christening.
And the christening will be a week on Saturday, and we're all invited.
ክርስትና christening. Till I see you in the next video. One love.